Neil Armstrong. It's One Small Step for Man, One Giant Leap for Mankind by Neil Armstrong. Neil Alden Armstrong was an American astronaut and historian and is known as the first person to walk on the moon. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon in a rocket. The rocket was called Apollo 11. Some years after returning from the moon, he visited the 2,000-year-old King Herod's Temple Mount compound ruins. He earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering from the Purdue University and a Master of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering from the University of Southern California. In 2005, he received the Honorary Doctorate of Letters from the University of Southern California. He was born in Ohio and grew up in several different locations in that state. Neil Armstrong discovered his passion for flying when he was 2 years old. His father used to take him to the Cleveland National Air Races.